Public speaking is a great way to build your business. You let people know you exist, what you do, why it matters, and how it might benefit them. And whether you're speaking at local networking events, conferences, online events, or any other place where people gather to listen and learn, it's a powerful opportunity to build credibility as well as visibility. That's the question I'll focus on in this video. Now, most audiences, of course, don't want to hear a big sales pitch. That's a pretty big way to lose their trust of your audience. They want to learn and/or be inspired. But a problem arises, though, when you're speaking as a way to market your business. One of the reasons you're speaking is to make sales, but how do you do that without being seen, or worse yet, feeling like your talk is just one big sales pitch? How often have you heard a speaker who tells you lots of information, showing you all the complicated twists and turns of an issue and its solution? Their slides are usually filled with lots of text, usually too small to be effective, lots of statistics, and you probably leave feeling overwhelmed with all the information, even when that information is really great. You sometimes feel confused, not knowing how to move forward. These speakers often try to cram too much information into the time they have and end up rushing through the end of the presentation. The intent of these speakers is generally to educate, of course. They have tons of really useful and important information, and they want to share it all with you. Great intention. Unfortunately, the strategy of trying to tell you everything ends up only overwhelming and frustrating you. And I guarantee this won't lead to sales. Needless to say, this is not the way you want to organize your talks. So how do we craft a talk so it does indeed provide education, but also inspires your audience and, most importantly, moves them toward becoming a client? Well, there's more than one formula or outline that can accomplish that. My current favorite is called Monroe's Motivational Sequence, and you can find all sorts of information about it online, and I encourage you to check out those resources, find the details about it. But in general, you want to start by grabbing your audience's attention quickly. If you don't, they're likely to start scrolling on their phones. After that, you can help them see that the problem you solve in your business is one that they have. Give examples. Show how common this problem is. Then, of course, you tell them about how you solve that problem. And this is usually the main part of the presentation. Help them to see that getting your help will be helpful to them. You want them to feel that your solution is the one they need. Now, once you've done that, inspire them by helping them see what life will be like once they no longer have the problem, and, well, then end with a single, clear call to action. Tell them what you want them to do. Click this link, go to this landing page, schedule a free call with you. Whatever it is, make it clear and uncomplicated. If they feel overwhelmed or confused, I can guarantee they won't be taking action. Now, there are lots more details I work on with my clients to make sure that their talks are smooth and effective, but what I've shared should get you started on the road to crafting a talk that informs, inspires, motivates to action, and hopefully builds your business. If you would like more help, you can schedule a strategy session where we'll talk about what you're needing, how I can help, and if it's a fit, what working together would look like. Just click the link in the description below. Until next time, I wish you abundance and joy.